it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again for another Simple Stamping Saturday. And I am using the lovely Lily Pad, which is a Celebration stamp set. It's reversible, so it's one of the reversibles stamps. But it's a really great reversible because you don't have to line things up. They actually don't line up, so you don't have to worry about lining them up. That's not to say they look wrong. They don't. They look right. But yeah. So let me show you the colours we're going to use. We're going to use Grapefruit Grove, Mint Macaron and Pool Party. I'm going to be using a Whisper White note card and envelope and two, sorry because of the colours, two sequin packs. If you get everything that I've just listed, it comes to £41. Just add one more small item. You get this for free. Just saying. So, let me show you the card, which is this one. Now, I have cheated a little bit because I've used a sentiment that is from the Peaceful Moments stamp set, which is in the mini catalogue. But you could use any sentiment that you've got, and I just thought it would be nice for a thank you note. Let me show you how I have made it. As ever, because it is a Simple Stamping Saturday, we have no naked envelopes. I don't do naked envelopes anyway. Even when I'm sending a catalogue out, it goes in an envelope that's not naked. Which reminds me, if you need a catalogue and you don't work with anyone at the moment in the UK, if you hop over to my website, you can find a tab that says catalogues, and in there, on there, there is a request form. So if you're in the UK, don't work with a demonstrator at the moment and would like a catalogue, just let me know. Right, Pool Party is the first colour I'm going to use, and I'm going to use this set of stamps here. So I'm going to be using these, and these two for this, and then the thank you. So the first thing I want to do is to stamp this in full strength, and I'm coming, she says, trying to see the original, right, quite a long way down. So I'm coming inking the whole thing up would be classically good. Quite a long way down, and then stamp, hold the stamp for a short while just so that it's got a chance to transfer the ink, and then you get a nice impression. Clean your stamp, which I've done off screen. Turn your stamp over, and then I need a scrap piece of paper, the back of one of my shipping notes will do very well. So turn your stamp over to the reversible side, ink that up, stamp it off briefly, and then actually I think I'll go the other way up, and then stamp down and hold, and you've got a nice watery background. Now, you may be wondering why we can do that with these and not with ordinary photopolymer stamps. I have to say I haven't tried it with ordinary photopolymer stamps. These are actually quite a bit thicker, which I think is the key. Right, so that's all I need the Pool Party for. Then I need Mint Macaron and the leaves. Oh no, Mint Macaron and the Lily Pad. So ink up my Lily Pad full strength with Mint Macaron, and I'm just going to stamp that just there, and again clean, flip over, and then ink up again, stamp off briefly, and stamp down. And as you can see, it doesn't, neither of those are quite lined up. They are bigger for a start. The surface area at the back is larger than the surface area at the front. So yeah, it's never going to line up. Right, the leaves. And I'm coming, so I'm not quite off the side there. Should probably have come up a wee bit further, but it's fine. Turn my stamp over, ink it up again, stamp off, and hold. And that's our leaves. And then turn that back over. And I don't know why I'm turning it back over. I don't need to use it again. So Grapefruit Grove. And again, ink up full strength and stamp and hold. Clean your stamp, turn it over. This one's quite a solid stamp, so it's a little stiffer to turn over. Ink up, stamp off, and stamp. So that is all of our lily pad stamping. And then just to turn it into a thank you card, ink up and just tuck it in. So I'm tucking it in so that it's above the pool party, coming next to the lily pad. And that is our basic card. I do want to stamp on the inside, because why wouldn't I? And all I'm going to do for that is just stamp the lily pad. And then, of course, I need to do the envelope. If I can find the... Covered the envelope up. Not a great idea when you want to use it. So I just want the leaf in mint macaron. Oh, that was close. I thought that was the wrong way up for a moment. So the leaf in mint macaron, and then the flower again in Grapefruit Grove, and I'm just using the outline stamp for those. So that is our card and our envelope. Now, as ever, because it's Simple Stamping Saturday, oh, I haven't put the sequins on, so that isn't our card. So ignore what I was just saying. We'll come back to that. So crease your card. Well, the cards come pre-creased, so all you need to do is fold it and burnish it with a bone folder, and that is our card. But it would be even nicer with some mint macaron and Grapefruit Grove sequins. And I'm just going to pop a couple of mint macaron on the lily pad, and then a Grapefruit Grove on the lily. Now there are the floral sequins that you can use as well, but I just thought I would use the standard sequin. So that is that one, all ready to go in the post to someone. But it's Simple Stamping Saturday, so time to show you the stepped up versions. So on this one I've introduced the also Celebration item, the what's it called, Lily Impressions Designer Series paper. That's on page 6 of the Celebration catalogue. And what I've done is I've used the same pattern, but I've used the reverse and the right side. I've cut the top to, each of these are 2 5/8 by 3.5. Do not worry about measurements though, they are on my blog post, which is linked in the description bar below. So I've cut both sides, and I've used a tiny piece of the reverse just to cover the gap, but otherwise the stamping is pretty much the same. I popped up the thank you, and the sequins are in the same place, stamped on the inside. And then the Avid version, same layout for the card underneath, but I've added in the level 2, so the stamp set and the Designer Series paper are each level 1 items. So they've got the, I think it's Rich Raspberry Blob. Then you can also get the dies, which are a level 2 item, and they are these. So we've got this lovely filigree piece, and then various images that layer up. So that layers, that layers, that layers, that layers, that layers, and the 2 lily pads, and then we've got outlines and extra leaves. And that's this version. So I've done a larger lily with the reverse stamping. Then I've die cut the outline for the piece here in Grapefruit Grove. Then this piece is die cut. I've stamped on the petal pink vellum that is in the, which suite is it? Perennial Essence suite. And then I've just put a single layer of ordinary plain vellum over the top of that, and then the sequins again. So there you are. So it's almost like you get a suite in the Celebration catalogue, because you get the stamp set, you get the dies, and you get the designer series paper, and they're all free, just depending on how much you spend. So thank you very much indeed for joining me today. Here are our 3 cards. Let me put them in order again. So we've got the quick, simple version, then we've got the stepped up version, adding in the designer series paper and flagging the sentiment, and then we've got the version that includes the die cuts as well. So thank you very much indeed for that. As I say, remember that for this, if you get the 3 ink pads, the note cards and envelopes, the 2 sets of sequins, add one small item more, and then you can get the stamp set for free. Thank you very much indeed. If you enjoyed that, please give it a thumbs up. Do remember to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 8,000 subscribers. If you're in the UK, I would be thrilled if you'd shop with me, or of course if you want to join my team, now is an amazing time to join my team. Information about that is over on my website. There's also some information about it in the description bar below, so do have a think about that. It really is, it's always a great deal. This is an amazing deal, so why not have a think about it? And that covers, so the team covers the UK, France, Germany, Austria and the Netherlands. So you will be very welcome to join. Thank you very much indeed. Bye.